Student Life Hacks, must-know tips for a smoother academic journey. Life hack: maintain your budget, learn basic money management skills, utilize digital tools like a budget calculator, explore various apps to assist with finances, create a list of expenses, cut unnecessary costs, and save money spent on non-essential items for a healthier bank account and lifestyle. Life hack: organize your activities. Creating a study plan or schedule is a key academic strategy, serving as a student life hack to avoid stress, excel in exams, and secure good grades by efficiently covering the entire syllabus. Life hack: rapid culinary shortcuts, mastering cooking from scratch and adopting time-saving kitchen tricks, like batch cooking in hostels to save money and time, or using a coffee mug to stack bowls for simultaneous microwave heating, are essential college life hacks for efficiency. Life hack: generate your own income. Challenge the notion that you can't earn while studying or living at home. Shift your mindset, learn a skill, and discover online opportunities to make your own money as a university or college student. Life hack: rise punctually. Enhance your wake-up routine by placing your phone in a glass before bedtime to amplify the alarm sound and encourage getting out of bed, and combat post-sleep fatigue by staying hydrated with a glass of water after a nap or night's rest. Life hack: acquire a skill and build connections. Diversify your academic experience by learning new skills, joining diverse societies, and making friends through short courses, enhancing your personal growth and learning efficiency as a student. Life hack: increase the number of alarms. Combat procrastination by setting alarms for specific tasks, breaking down your time into intervals, and adopting a disciplined approach to completing various activities, enhancing focus and time management. Life hack: maintain order in your wardrobe. Optimize your wardrobe space by incorporating life hacks, such as using cold drink can tabs to expand hanger capacity without extra expense and organizing tees or jeans vertically in drawers to avoid clutter. Life hack: retain binder clips. Harness the versatility of binder clips for ingenious solutions in daily and student life, from fixing broken keyboard feet to creating a desktop phone stand, organizing accessories, and simplifying various tasks with these clever hacks. Life hack: go to the library. Maximize productivity as a student with a part-time job by adopting the student life hack of studying in libraries, developing a learning habit, and completing assignments there to enhance focus and performance in exams. Life hack: employ intelligent strategies. Break down your 2,000-word assignment for the upcoming week by writing 400 to 500 words daily, and for a comprehensive review, listen to your complete essay on Google Translate before submission. Life hack: employ colored pens. Boost memory retention by incorporating colors into your notes. Utilize different colored pens to highlight specific information, such as headings in pink and important dates in orange, as color-coded notes enhance memorization and improve academic performance. Life hack: jot down on adhesive notes. Leverage the power of sticky notes as crucial organizers in student life by jotting down essential points, to-dos, and motivational quotes for quick reference and constant inspiration. Life hack: suspend the tennis ball. Create a makeshift key holder or mailbox for your hostel room using a tennis ball by cutting a slit, screwing it onto the wall, and conveniently storing your keys, cards, and belongings. Life hack EU: prioritize self-care as the foremost student life hack, involving seeking help or utilizing resources like Google and counseling services when needed. Which hack did you like? If you know any good hacks, please share it in the comments.